let
I
me.
wanna try
I want
one.
to sink it. But wait, you can hold it.
I'm a hot. Go now.
Let the
Go.
Indian chief.
Go.
Hold your horse.
And when his phone rings, it is the Indian thing.
Oh,
Totally just missed. You can't hit it so hard.
oh, that's what cracks the wood.
Chill out.
Shut up.
What makes that? No. I'm gonna say. Ah!
Referee, do the wild boy.
Now, Pop. Break. Just break.
Hit it one good time.
Hit it again.
One time.
Move. What are you doing?
I'm
Freaking.
shot.
Oh, my arms are numb.
I get to do it. I can do it. You can't do that, Mus. I can do it.
Turn it.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
See, tell me what to do. You don't even know how to do it. Okay.
She's over here. Ah.
Hard.
Hang on a
We
second.
can put this out on YouTube as ultimate fail. Bro, that's why it has the rest of the handle.
Improved by tomorrow.
Go away. I got it. You got it all right.
You know,
that damn hammer.
you know, Jonathan's gonna laugh at you when he sees that.
I don't care. What hell?
Hold on. Let me find better.
Angle.
Dang, Dakota. I'm not gonna be mean.
It's not me. It's y'all too.
It's not me. I just want like deodorant.